and this is Quadratic Regression 2. The first thing we're going to do is establish what our starting point is, so our C value. And here, bring this up. So my C value, which I'm going to narrow down some of the problems, my C value is here. It's sideways, doesn't matter. This is my y-intercept, so C is this number, 4.2. So C is equal to 4.2. That narrowed down my answer really quick. So if C is 4.2 and it's positive, it can't be these two. So A and B are gone. So we narrow it down. It's got to be C or D. Then we have to say, okay, and this is what's going to determine it. We know the A value is the same, so we know the graph is going up. And then we're just trying to figure out which B value works to make this graph, to hit these points. Now, I would just graph it. So let me try to find it. And clear all this stuff out. So I'm going to graph. So I would graph C and D. So I know C is 9.3 x squared. So that makes it quadratic. Minus 5.5x plus 4.2. That's my first one. And then my second one is 9.3 x squared plus 5.5 x plus 4.2. Those are my two graphs. I can't really see them, but I'm just going to hit home so I can get there. So I'm hitting home. So here's my two graphs. The blue one is C. The green one is D. So what I might start doing is just plotting points. So I'd plot the first point. The first point I have is, it's got, wow, it's really up there. So I got -10 and 9.2. And when I look, oh my God, I don't see it. But I can always zoom out and see if I can find that point. But if I zoom out so much, it's going to look like it's hitting both. There's the point, but it seems like it's hitting both. So I'm going to zoom back in. It's got to hit one of them. Maybe it is hitting both. Actually, I don't know. Looks like it's hitting both. Or does it? Does it look like it's hitting both? No, it's hitting one of them. Which one is it hitting? It's hitting the blue one, which is C. So if that's true, if I do the next one, if I plot the next point, -5, oops, -5, comma, so -5, and I got 264.2. That means that point should hit also. If that point hits also, then that's my answer. I know it's way down. And this is why I like the other calculators. So the other calculators, as soon as you plot the point, it'll adjust the screen. This one, not so much. So if this one hits, if it hits the blue one again, then that's the answer. The blue one's the answer. So that means the answer is C.